In this video, I'm going to show you how to make Google Photos default on iPhone. So first, let's head on over to settings and let's head back for a moment and click on the top on your name and click on iCloud. So once you've clicked on iCloud, head on over to Photos and click on the Sync This iPhone to turn off the sync. And then what you want to do next is head on over to Google Photos and click on your profile icon in the top right corner and click on Google Photos settings and click on backup and toggle backup on. What this does is it will back up the photos on your iPhone to Google Photos. And that's about it. That's how to make Google Photos default on iPhone. If you have any question, please let me know down in the comments and I'll do my best to help you out.